Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button right there. We're going to make some Christmas crafts. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Dollar Tree Christmas crafts to be exact. And we're going to use a little method that I'm stealing from Naomi. So Naomi has been patinaing the crap out of things and little statues and things like that. So I thought, you know what? People are loving it. They're loving the patina. I bought some patina paint. And it's sort of like the rust that I did on the OG's plastic thing, except I'm doing copper and bronze. I've got copper and bronze. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these. Remember I said I don't know what I'm going to do with these? And I'm going to patina these. So this one says, let's put it right side up, Merry Christmas. And what I thought I'd do is do the patina on it and then put some jump rings on it and a pretty ribbon and make it just a hanging ornament for the tree. In my mind, this is going to look cute, right? But that doesn't mean it's going to. All right, so the first thing you need to do wood with the patina paint is to use, I bought the Modern Masters stuff. So this is what I got. Modern Masters metal copper, patina paint, and I also got the Modern Masters bronze. And then I got the patina in blue and in green. So this is the stuff that actually ages it. This is an old bottle that I had on some other stuff that I'd done a long time ago, but I got a full bottle over here. So this is the blue. That's the blue. Ooh, don't fall over. And that's the green. So the green's in the spray bottle. They look a lot alike, so you got to read the label. And this one says green. All right. So these paints here are reactive. So they are oxidizing copper. It says right on it, right down there, oxidizing copper. And then Metal Effects. Oh, this is the primer. The bronze. Metal Effects oxidizing bronze paint. So it'll say right on the label that they're oxidizing. If you just took a metallic paint and it wasn't an oxidizing paint, I don't know what would happen, frankly. I don't think it'll work. So make sure that you get the right paint. And I've used Modern Masters before. So I had done a copper pot for my mom back in the day, like, I don't know, 20-some years ago. She had this urn that she wanted to look like aged copper. So I had taken the oxidizing patina and done a copper paint on it and then done it in the green patina on that. So I've used them before, and then I used the rust on the OG's wall. So I've used Modern Master patina to great success in the past. That's why I didn't go ahead and reinvest in the patina paint that Naomi uses, which is a different brand. I'm going to add these to my Amazon store because this is what I use. I've used it. I know how to use it. I'm going to keep using the Modern Master. So you can do all of this stuff, I'm sure, with all of the other patina paints from anyone else. So I think it was, it'll come to me. And as soon as I shut the camera off, it did. Dixie Belle. So Dixie Belle is making, wow, Stacy, wow, is making patina paints. But Modern Masters has been doing it for a while, like before Dixie Belle was even a thing. To do the metal effects, though, before you do anything wood, we're going to paint it with the primer. To speed things up, you guys, I've already primed and painted one of them. Actually, I did the bronze too, but it's not done drying. So I've actually already taken this and painted it with the primer, which you can't see because I painted the copper over it. So this is the copper. And I want to spray this with the green patina for the copper. I've got a box here, and I'm just going to spray this and let it drip. And if I do, just hold it up so you can see it, because this is not going to be easy to do. I would ultimately actually like to do this outside because this is very harmful. Adequate ventilation, spray mist, wear an apron, splash goggles. I mean, it is not good. But I'm going to spray it. And then I'm just going to let it drip. Now, it's going to take a while. It's going to take a minute. And you can see, actually, I'm going to get you closer. So there you can see it's got the drips on it. And you can see, actually, right by the C in Christmas, there's a big drop there. And that's okay. We want to leave that because it should put like big dots of green or darker spots of green than other areas that don't have that. Can you see that glistening right there, that big drop? And then there's one over by the T. So there's just little spots where that liquid is hanging on there. And this is going to take some time. You can actually already see over the R. It's starting to process. Do you see it? It's going to take a minute. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and then come back to it and we'll see how it is. Okay. So while that's processing, I'm going to try something different on the bronze one. Instead of spraying the stuff on there, I'm going to brush it and be more precise. I don't know if like putting it heavier in some places will make it darker or worse or whatever, but we're going to try it on a brush instead of a spray and see how that works and see which one I like better, because these are Dollar Tree ornaments and I can do that. Didn't cost me that much. Here is the bronze season's greetings. And then I'm going to use the blue patina on that because that's what came with the kit. No other reason except that's what came with the kit. I want to, instead of spraying it like I did with the other one, I'm just going to take this and then brush it lightly over some places, but then leave it heavier. And like I would like the corners over here to kind of have a lot more. I don't know if I drip some here. Kind of give it a coat over the whole thing. Now, unlike the copper, I'm not going to sit it up. I'm not going to lean it up. I'm going to leave it laying like this so that my puddles, my darker spots, stay where I wanted them. Okay, so I let the ornament sit for a couple days, mostly because I had to work. They've had plenty of time to patina up. So here they are. So this is the copper. Merry Christmas. And then this is the season greetings, which, I don't know. Believe it or not, this part that's not covered is the part I put the most on. So the part that actually developed patina is the one that I didn't put much on. You see where it got blue in there. And there's the copper. And what I want to do is I've got some jump rings. Of course I have jump rings. Ow. So I went to the doctor yesterday. I pulled the tendon in my hand. That's why I've been wearing that brace off and on. I should be on, not off. But here I am. So I've got the jump rings, and I'm going to put it through the holes so that when I put the string on it, this hangs like it should hang, like normal, right? Why does that not look good on camera? This actually does look good in person. This looks better in person than you guys are seeing it. I'll see if I can take some good pictures and get them up on Instagram. But part of me wants to layer them. Layer the blue and the green. This one, I don't know. This one doesn't look good at all, actually. I don't like how the Seasons Greening one turned out, but I like the copper. I think this one turned out good. So let me get the jump rings on, and then I'll show you what I mean by it hangs right. So I could just put a string on it and put a string on it, but I think this will make it neater to put the jump rings where I want them and then hang it. But again, I could be wrong. I don't have any idea, honestly, and I don't have any ego about it. Like, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Like this one, I'm totally wrong. It just did not come out the way I thought at all. Like, in my mind, brushing it on with more control was better than the spray, but the spray clearly is better. The reason you guys don't get a blooper reel is because I shut the camera off when I'm about to do stuff that makes me swear. But I got the jump rings on. You can see now it hangs flat, and you could use this on your tree, or you could hang it on a, I don't even know, wreath or whatever. But I want to get rid of the little flyaways on the string, so I probably shouldn't light a fire in this room because there is an awful lot of flammable stuff, but here we go. You just burn it off real nice. I burn my fingers. As you can see, from one side to the other, one side's all frayy and the other side is real nice and clean. So I'm going to burn off the rest of it and make it clean. Ooh. Yeah, it's always nice holding it up high when you're about to burn yourself. Hold your fingers right above the fire. No, don't do that. Please don't play with fire and tell people I told you to. And that just cleans up all those little loose twine ends. There it goes. It's all clean now. So it, you know, it's just a trick. It's just a trick. Gets rid of all the little frayed bits. And, you know, it only burns you for a minute. No lie, it burned my nail. Anyway, I like this one. This is the copper one. I probably will not use this one. I don't know. Maybe I'll layer a copper over the top of it and try again and see if I like it with the two-tone. But I'm not a fan of this, so I'm not going to do anything with this one. Sorry. But this is how they turned out, and I like the patina on the copper, and maybe I'll try to layer it with this bronze, but I really am not a fan of the bronze at this point, at least not on the flat ornament. I like the copper, though. So, we'll see. We'll see. I will definitely be playing. I got plenty of patina. We're going to play with some stuff. We are going to patina some stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junket shirts, don't forget to click the link below, or I might light it on fire. Or if you'd like to join the Vintage Reseller Mastermind group, I feel like a weird, fiery Harry Potter wand, you know. Vintage Reseller Mastermind group. You can do that as well. Click the links below. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, it's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. Oh, and somebody asked for the P.O. box again. That's the P.O. box where you can send Thrift Flip challenges or anything else you want to send me. So there's the P.O. box. All right. Happy junking, you guys. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials